Hi, this is Amin. In this video, I will share you how to research Google Keyword Planner. If you notice my skin, here you can see 30k conversion of Google ad. That means 30k sales I have generated using multiple keywords. So from my experience, I am going to share you how to research keyword properly that makes sales or that bring your targeted lead. So let's go start. Before starting this video, introduce myself. My name is Amin. I'm a top rated digital marketing specialist. If you need any services, my contact information is below. Thank you so much. Let's go. First of all, you have to understand the three type of keyword: broad mass keyword, phase mass keyword, and exact mass keyword. So what is this? uh, Exact mass keywords, that means you only get traffic your which keyword you provide. Phase mass keyword, that will be suppose weight loss. Phase mass keyword will be best weight loss. And broad mass keyword, suppose home decor, cream, color, leather section. That means broad mass is a partial mass keyword. Okay, phase mass is additional keyword and exact mass is accurate keyword. So if you run a campaign, in at the beginning you should target phase mass, so that will help you to get more sales, the more targeted traffic from your website. Okay, first of all, after understanding the keyword, you have to go Google search bar, and first of all understand what is your business goal. Suppose your business goal is sales, so you have to research sales intent keyword. Okay, suppose uh, I I have a weight loss businesses. For example, I just show you, this is my website. Here I can sell my weight loss businesses, weight loss product. So weight loss is my main keyword. So I want to get the lead. Okay, so you have to I have selected my business or campaign goal. So people contact us, that means lead generation. So first of all, write here best weight loss. Okay, weight loss a. When you give a, just 1 minute. Okay, a. When you give only a, then you will get traffic. Just 1 minute. This is not working perfectly. Weight loss a, weight loss b, weight loss c. Oh, I just changed my browser. This is not working right now. Okay, so if I search weight loss a, weight loss b, weight loss c. Okay, if I searches here, I just go to the incognito mode, that will understand better. Right here, weight loss a. Oh my god, I'm sorry, every browser has I use. Okay, weight loss a, weight loss b, weight loss c, weight loss d. Okay, okay, I have some limited search query, but weight loss e. when you write when you write your main keyword, then write A, write B, write C, write D, write E, write F, write H. So if you changes A, B, C, D, then you will get your keyword ideas. Select perfect keyword which work for you. Okay, in this way you can generate ideas of keyword. Okay, so in this way I can generate ideas. First of all, which keyword is most relevant, just copy this list here, all of your keyword, then copy this one. After copy this keyword, then you should go Google keyword planner. Just write, go sign in your Google ad account and click the tools option, and here you can see in the share library, just click the tools option, and here you can see keyword planner. Keyword planner discover new keyword, get searches volume, organic keywords into ad group. Okay, I just paste here our keyword. Okay, and get started. If I check the search volume, here you can see this search volume is not a good. So this keyword only have a 2.6 searches volume. So maybe this keyword is perfect and another keyword is not validated now. So hopefully you understand. If you generate ideas keyword, then you can evaluation this keyword. If they has a searches volume, then you should target them. Then after this process, you can get keyword ideas new way. Go again keyword planner and discover new keyword. Okay, just click on and start with your website. Start with a keyword. So write your keyword. My main keyword, weight loss. Just write and get result. Okay, so here you can see I already get how much. Just click here. Our total keyword is 2.98. So check all keyword and check their searches volume and read manually, because you know what is your relevance keyword, and you can understand your the keyword intent, so you can select your targeted keyword. You should not use every keyword, because you will pay for each keyword, so you have to choose keyword very carefully. So in this way you can research your keyword, and after researching keyword, use face mask keyword for your campaign. So hopefully this video is useful for you. If you have any questions, if you need any help, let me contact us. My contact information is below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.